Dogs are very sensitive animals which can easily perceive whether we are happy, sad, or even just tired. Fortunately, they are also very loving creatures and their affection and company can come in very handy during these times. However, often we humans are not as good at reciprocating this sensitivity. In this AnimalWised video, we discuss depression in dogs, looking at the most characteristic symptoms and providing some tips to help improve their happiness. As with human beings, canines are susceptible to depression. They may not be caused by the same issues, but if we are aware of our dog's habitual behaviour, we should be able to easily identify a bout of depression, whether short or prolonged. However, if a dog has only recently been adopted into our family, it may be difficult to differentiate between their normal demeanour and depression. The most recognisable symptoms include a lack of appetite, apathy, inactivity, and a lack of affection towards their caregivers. We may also observe hiding, sleeping excessively, or an unwillingness to engage in play activity. However, it is essential to point out that some of these signs may be present thanks to an underlying condition or disease. This is why it is so important to take them to a vet to rule out a physical health problem. Causes of depression in dogs are varied, but they usually appear after a significant change to their routine, a traumatic experience, hormonal changes, or, as we have said, disease. Determining this underlying cause is essential in solving the behavioural problem. The death of a loved one or the introduction of a new family member, such as a baby, are common causes of depression in dogs, but there are many possible issues at play. When depression generates a clinical picture which puts the dog's health at risk, it will be essential to go to a veterinarian, preferably one specialised in pathology. If they also show behavioural changes which involve aggression, going to a professional dog trainer or educator will be essential, as the situation can worsen and become dangerous. If your dog is going through an episode of sadness or depression, do not hesitate to follow our advice to improve their well-being. Offer between 3 and 4 quality walks a day where they can smell their environment and interact with other dogs. Don't forget the physical exercise and play before going home. Spending time with your dog doesn't mean being by their side without doing anything. It requires quality time, speaking to them, petting, and generally offering a lot of love and affection. Mental stimulation is as important as physical exercise, so in your day-to-day you shouldn't neglect basic obedience training, mental stimulation exercises, and intelligence toys. Kong toys are one which are particularly good for this. Food is a basic element of care, but it is easy to underestimate its importance. Provide quality food, perhaps experimenting with homemade options, and maintain hygiene through cleaning and brushing. If after a few days your dog is still depressed, you will need to visit a veterinarian specialised in pathology to obtain a diagnosis and assess whether the administration of drugs or behaviour modification sessions are necessary. Do you have a dog prone to depression? Have you been able to successfully bring them round? If so, let us know about it in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. We'll see you next time.